Hi there, Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of Excel formula calculations. You might remember hearing about BODMAS in high school maybe. Well, in Excel we have a similar concept, the order of precedence. Stick around because understanding this is having like a superpower in Excel. So let's get started. Before we jump into Excel, let's quickly revisit BODMAS or PEMDAS. It's an acronym that helps remember the order of operation in mathematics formulas. It stands for brackets, orders, that is powers or square roots, division and multiplications from left to right, and addition and subtractions from left to right. Now, in Excel, we have a similar concept called order of precedence. It's crucial to know this because Excel follows a specific order when calculating formulas. Here's how it works in Excel. So, just like in math, Excel gives the highest priorities to expressions within parentheses or brackets. So if you have something in parentheses, Excel calculates it first. For example, in the formula equal A1 times open parenthesis B1 plus C1 close parenthesis, Excel would first calculate the B1 plus C1 inside the brackets. Then exponents. Excel then evaluates any exponents or powers. So let's say you have a formula equal A1 squared. Excel will calculate A1 raised to the power of 2. Then you would have multiplication and divisions. After brackets and exponents, Excel moves to multiplications and divisions from left to right. So in a formula like equal A1 times B1 divided by C1, Excel first multiplies A1 and B1 and then divides the result by C1. Then you have addition and subtraction. Lastly, Excel calculates addition and subtraction, again from left to right. In the formula equal A1 plus B1 minus C1, Excel adds A1 and B1 first and then subtracts C1. So let's see some examples. Let's look at some practical examples to cement our understanding. Suppose we have this Excel sheet with different formulas. In cell B2 we have equal 5 plus 3 times 2. According to the order of precedence, Excel will first multiply 3 by 2, then add 5. So the result is 11. In cell B3 we have equal parenthesis 5 plus 3 close parenthesis times 2. Here the brackets give the addition priority. So Excel will add 5 and 3 first and then multiply by 2. The result is 16. Here's an handy tip. If you ever want to change the order of calculation, use parentheses. They allow you to control how Excel evaluates new formulas. For instance, in cell B4, we have equal 5 plus parenthesis 3 times 2. The parenthesis makes Excel prioritize the multiplication first, so the result is 11. So there you have it, the order of precedence in Excel somewhat is like a BODMAS in math. Remember, Excel always follows this sequence when evaluating formulas. Understanding this order will help you create more complex formulas with confidence and precision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. So thank you for joining us today in Excel Unleashed. Stay tuned for more exciting Excel adventures. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.